Hey gang, I want to talk with you a little bit about the tool field kit. Now, the tool field kit, some of you know that it's a really robust tool kit that you can have either in your truck, your car, whatever you use to go to the range. Personally, I keep it in my truck and I just leave it there because invariably there are times, and we all know this, where you're on the range, something either breaks down or whatever, and you need a way to fix it on the fly. So I take this case, which isn't really that big, throw it in the truck, and I just forget about it until I need it. Now, I want to go over with you briefly the original contents of the tool field kit, because it's a really robust field kit, or tool kit, if you will. And if you see here, we have everything from your bore snake. You have essentially an AR wrench or an armor's wrench. Behind it, you have some rod extensions. Then you have some punches, brushes, hammerheads, sockets, hammer, lube, pliers. Underneath the pliers are going to go ahead and be a crescent wrench. And then you have Allen wrenches over here. Now, it's not just one set. I really like this Allen wrench set over here because it's actually three sets of Allen wrenches. You have essentially metric, you have SAE, and then you have torque. So you have all of them, not just one style like Allen and no torque, because things like your red dots and things like that, they require torque wrenches. So they have that. And then you have essentially a ratcheting handle. It goes with the extensions over here, but encapsulated in there, you have essentially bits that go on here and then actually make it either a Phillips head, flathead, or whatever you need. So really compact tool that you can actually use on the fly, okay? And then you have certain small type of Phillips head and flathead here that you can use. And then of course you have other things in here. Now, the upgrade kit isn't to fully replace the original tool field kit. What the tool field kit company did is they improved certain parts. So let's go over briefly about that. So they have an improved armor's wrench here. They have an extension to attach certain things to the original rods. They now have an Otis lanyard kit. They have improved foam on this, so a more sturdy foam. It won't break down. Not that this breaks down at all, but better than the original. Steel hammerhead for the jeweler's hammer that they have. The punch set is an obsidian punch set that is actually better quality steel than the original punch set, and also doesn't rust like the original. Not that that was a thing. It does have a little bit of oxidation, but who cares? But this one won't rust. Now on this one, they have a suppressor style crescent wrench here that you can actually use if you do not live in the People's Republic of California and you need a suppressor style crescent wrench. And then they have a clear bottle for the CLP or whatever you need, because sometimes you're running CLP, sometimes you might be running Jello sauce, who knows? So being able to have a clear bottle in here that will not leak is always a factor. So a few upgrades here. Now, the upgrade kit is about $65. So if you're like us and you have this, it's only $65 to upgrade to some better parts. And the thing is, you might have some doubles now. Like for instance, I may have and I do, a double of the armor's wrench. The original armor's wrench is not bad. So guess what? Now with this upgrade kit, I have two. I could leave this upgrade kit in my truck, and then I can have this maybe in my range bag or somewhere else. So actually, you're getting a little bit of versatility by getting that upgrade kit. You're not just chucking these parts. You're just repurposing them in other places and things like that. So if you need or are considering a field tool kit for your range work and things like that, and by the way, you should have a field tool kit for when you're on the range. So if you're in the market for that, highly consider the field toolkit, because their stuff the price point is amazing, and the quality of stuff that you get is also amazing as well. I've done, and some of the guys on the team, like Brendan and a couple other guys, we've actually fixed guns on the range. We've actually swapped out parts and did some gunsmithing type stuff on the range for clients using just the original tool field kit. So if you're interested, check it out. Check out their website, but really great stuff. The people at that company are really great. We've gotten to know them in various trainings and things like that, so cannot say enough great things about them. Go check it out. If you think all gun laws are an infringement and you live behind the enemy lines in the People's Republic of California, then check out our Unconvicted Felons t-shirt. We came out with this t-shirt design for you where most of us are fed up with the situation here in California. So check it out. Check out our website. Awesome t-shirt coming at you, and our new line of 2 arms where it stands for 2A Rights Matter. So check out our new t-shirt and help us feed our dog.